Wait, what happens if I got one of these? Oh, nothing happened. Alright, let's check the players. Okay, I just have played for 2 hours, I guess. 2 days, I think. Okay. I mean, somebody cannot have that much, right? And not bad for all of those. Oh, gee. I feel like the killer is going to win. And Noob is about to win. Also, chat, I have 600 money. Should I buy a survivor or no? I also guys, check out this thing I got. Gee, why is it not working? Oh, there we go. Oh, gee. We don't talk about the dance. Anyway, why does that blue guy looks like he's having stage 4 babies like what I always do? I mean, I do make one of the. Okay, I'm okay. Okay. This guy isn't doing. Oh wait. Alright, chat, I'm ready to play. Okay, bro. We don't talk about what happened. Should I take off or should I buy a survivor? I mean, I barely got something. Oh, we don't talk about what I chose. That's where that thing is having stage 4 babies like I always do. Yo, wait. Okay, what the hell is this thing? My camera sucks now. What's this? Oh yeah, I forgot. I cannot find it. Okay, no. As long as we're far away from the killer, we're safe. Oh, damn. Oh. Nobody even died yet. Never mind, the gambler dead. What the? No, I forgot to remove the everything there. There's nothing you need. But I'm dead. Oh, that thing saved me. Alright, let me just oh my god. Yippee! Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. Okay, no. Alright, that's all. Bye-bye. That's all. Because my stupid recorder told me that I could only do it for 5 minutes, so bye-bye.